Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and once you have done so, you can then hold the power button and volume down at the same time, which will capture whatever is visible right now on a display. Now, when you're doing this the first time, it will give you this pop-up letting you also know that you can capture a screenshot using something like the 3-finger gestures. So I'm gonna quickly go over those. So we have 3 different ones. We have 3-finger swipe down, which is just a screenshot equivalent to pressing these 2 buttons like I did. Then we have a partial screenshot, which is holding, scrolling down to specific, or actually holding and then diagonally drawing, and this allows you to basically capture a cropped screenshot. Then we have hold and drag, which instead of cropping just kind of crops it top and bottom depending on how far you drag it, while being all the way to the sides. And the last one will be a scrollable screenshot, which is all the way to the down, and it will start scrolling the screenshot if the content can be scrolled down on. So anyway, we're gonna select got it, and just to demonstrate it, quick swipe. You also have the scrollable screenshot option right here and share on this pop-up. Now, once you capture your screenshot, you can find those captured screenshot in your Photos application. Now, by default, you would probably be located in the Photos tab, which you will be able to see the screenshots in, but later on down the line, it might be easier for you to find it by going into the Albums and Screenshot album. Now, in here, you will also find screen recordings, as you can see right here, but these are the 2 screenshots that I've captured just a moment ago. So, here we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.